Hello friends, today we will be having a look at the Xlookup function in Excel. The Xlookup function is a new function in Excel and is regarded as the successor to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. The goal of Xlookup is to look up for a value in columns or rows and return the matched value. So in one way, it does the functions of both VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP. So let us take a look at the functions of Xlookup and how we can implement it. On the screen, we have the master data of one file and the transaction data for the same. Let us see how we can put to use Xlookup in this scenario. My goal is to have the product name over here to be pulled up from the master file, and in the second example we will have the last sale date for a particular product to be pulled from the transaction file. So let us see how it can be achieved. Over here in the product name, I can start the Xlookup function by pressing the is equal to sign and Xlookup. Press the tab to initiate the function. The first value or the first argument that it asks us is the lookup value. In this case, the lookup value will be the product code, because based on this product code we will be searching the master file. Once you select the lookup value, you press the comma to go to the next argument. The next argument, which is highlighted over here, is the lookup array. The lookup array means Excel is asking us, where will I find this product code in the master file, in which column? So we highlight this product code column and press F4 to make the references absolute. Then once this is done, we press the comma again and we are asked to enter the return array. The return array in this case is the column in the master file or in the source file where it can find the value what we are looking for. In this case, the product name. So we go to the master file and select the column which is containing the product name. Press F4 to make the references absolute and close the formula by typing in a closing bracket. Hit enter, and as you see, Excel has pulled chocolate cake. What Excel has done is, it took this code, it went to the master file, it located this P1009 and it pulled the chocolate cake, the relevant product name against it, and it's showing it over here. So once we have completed this, we can copy the formula down. So we see mango cake P1004. So in the master, if we double check, mango cake is P1004. Okay. The kiwi cake is P1010. Here also we double check it. P1010 is the kiwi cake. So this is implementing Xlookup with the minimum of the 3 essential arguments. So what we will do now is, I will just pull this a little over here so that I am able to view and you are able to view. Now the other option or the other example, what we wanted to do was to pull the last sale date into the master file from the transaction file. Obviously, the sale date will be available only in the transaction file and not in the master file. So we need to have a complete report over here where we need the last sale date. So what we do in this case is, here again we start the Xlookup function, press tab to start it. The lookup value over here is again the product code, but from the master file this time. Press comma to go to the next value. Here it is saying lookup array. So we have to see in which column can it find the product code in the transaction file. So we come over here and we select this range. Press F4 to make the references absolute. Then press the comma again, and the next argument is the return array. Return array, as you know, this time the return value what we are looking for is the sale date. The sale date is appearing in this column. So we select this particular column and press F4. Okay, I hope it is clear up to now. These are the 3 essential values which we had also used the previous time. Now when we press the comma, it says if not found, means Excel is asking us that if this value is not found, means this product code is not found in the transaction file, what should be my response? In this case, to understand things, we will say that if you don't find, you can give us a message as 0 sales. Put a comma. The next argument is match mode. Match mode means what we are looking for. Are we looking for an exact match, or a partial match, or a match with a wild card? So in this particular case, we are looking for a exact match. You can check all these options when you practice this on your own. You type 0 over here and press a comma. The next option what is open is the search mode. The last argument, the search mode, the first two options are really very important. So we will try to see what it is. If you press 1 in this, it is saying search first to last. Means what? If you press 1 in this, it will start looking up in the source data from the top to the bottom. But if you press or if you input -1 in over here, then Xlookup will start the search of the product code from the bottom to the top. In this case, since we want to use the last sale date, so it is better to go from the bottom side. So we select -1 over here, and we close the formula with a closing bracket. Hit and enter over here, and as you see, let us see what Excel has done. Excel took this product code P1001 for the butter cake. It went to the bottom over here. It started searching upwards, and the first record that it met was over here, this particular record. So when it reached this record, what it did is it picked up the relevant date from here and it inserted it over here. So I hope this is clear. Now in this particular case, instead of -1, if we had put +1, okay, and hit and enter, see the results have changed. Why? Because in this particular scenario, Xlookup has gone to search from the top. So it starts looking from the top and it comes here P1001 and it sees the relevant date in respect to this code over here is 51. Okay, so it puts 51 over there instead of the other dates. I hope this is clear. Now we will change it to -1 because this was our target. Once this is finished, you can easily copy this formula down. As you see, let us right align it to have a good look at it. As you see, wherever it has found the product in the transaction file, it has put the last date. For example, if you say kiwi cake, the last date is 5/3. If you go from here from the bottom, here is the kiwi cake and you see that the kiwi cake last transaction was done on the 5th of March. So this is how it is done. Wherever it has not found any record, for example, ice cream cake over here is missing in the transaction file. So in the last sale date, as per our instruction, it has put as 0 sale. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you really feel that you have liked the contents of this video, please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.